All right, Kapili Roofing and Painting has been building peace of mind, one roof at a time. Chee-hoo!
That's right. Recently, I had the opportunity to put on my papale and head out to Waiʻanae to see the Kapili team in action. Check this out. Here we are on location with John Chun. He's our lead customer success manager of Kapili Roofing and Painting. Brother, I love being in your office. No walls.
Exactly.
This is
beautiful.
The best place to be at on gorgeous West Oahu. Okay, we're here for a specific reason because we're going to meet a friend of yours in just a little bit, right?
Yes, our good friend Sharon. Very happy customer. You know, her and her family, but just very happy with the service.
I love it. Okay, well, we're going to talk story with her in just a little bit, but you know, I have to be honest with you, brother. The roof is really the last thing that a lot of homeowners think about. They wait until there's a leak or there's a big event before they take a look at it. Why is that just not the right way to go?
It's not the right way to go because the roof is like the shield of your home. So it protects your family, your pets, your memories. It's overlooked a lot, but it shouldn't be.
And is there something that we should be doing like on you know, like every 5 years, every 10 years, on a daily basis? What needs to happen for our roof?
It all depends on when the roof was done last. If it was done recently, I would say, you know, wait a few years, but always have it checked. If it's done a long time ago, have it checked once, twice a year. It never hurts, right? Before and after the storm season.
Beautiful. Before and after the storm season. I like that. Now we're going to talk story with Sharon, and I understand that you actually worked directly with her in her situation.
I did.
Can you give me an idea of what it was that you folks discussed?
So when she first called, it was more of emergency services. She needed somebody to get out there really quickly and temp cover the roof. The roof had blown off partially. That would lead to direct leaks into the house. It's an open beam home, so water would get in very quickly.
So it was Kapili that helped her out?
Yes.
Awesome. I can't wait to hear her story. Let's go ahead and welcome Sharon to the show. I'm excited to meet you, Sharon, because John spoke so highly of you. Thank you so much for being here to share your story. Now, I understood something happened with your roof. Tell me what happened.
Well, we had some torrential winds and it just wouldn't stop, and I had no idea what was going on until one night we got woken up. We were showered on.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, we didn't realize what was going on, and then we said, we have a leaky roof.
So what made you call Kapili? I mean, you know, there are other roofing companies out there. Why Kapili?
One of the reasons is because of their commercial. It really sticks to your head and your heart. And the fact is, unlike the chee-hoo they do. And out of the phone calls that I made to roofing companies, only 2 responded, one of which is Kapili. Immediately.
That is awesome. What was working with them like?
When I first started making my calls, I was so out of sorts. Didn't know what to do. I don't get leaky roofs all the time. It's my first ever. And so when I got a hold of Kapili, I started feeling relaxed. And my experience with them has been like that from the beginning to the end.
You know, Sharon, in all of the times that I've had a chance to talk story with the team from Kapili, they've always been so kind, so personable. And I really feel like relationship is strong to them.
I'm glad you said that, because I just feel compelled that I need to mention the team. Starting with Shelby, she was my first point of contact. She heard that desperation in my voice, and she quickly connected me with John Chun, who is the customer service success manager. And that spoke volumes to me. When I heard that title, I went, okay, I'm going the right way. And then John quickly called on Roxy, who went to walk the roof and assess the damage. And then she was so sweet. She let me go peek over to my roof, and I went, oh my gosh, I didn't realize how bad the damage was. The next step was to get the team over. Keone, Michael, and Brandon, they did a heck of a job. And the last person I'd like to make mention is Field Inspector Elias. And he was the one to make sure that everything went well. I always want to say, and I say to them, I said, hey, if you or anyone you know are looking for someone to be your roofer, I can highly recommend Kapili. They did me wonderful, and I can just rest assured everything is wonderful going forward. And I'm not going to stop sharing.
I love hearing that. Well, thank you so much, Sharon, for spending time with us. If it's okay with you, I'm going to go talk story with John and try to see if we can get a sweet deal for the rest of our viewers. Is that okay?
Absolutely.
Awesome. Hey, John, I got to talk to you, brother. I love talking with Sharon. She loves you, John.
Yeah, she's very happy, and I'm glad that we could help out. It's very heartwarming to know that we could help the family and help Sharon as well and meet her expectations and just cover everything she needed.
Absolutely. Now, I know that you said a little earlier that she came to you folks in an emergency situation, but I have viewers out there that own their homes and they're not in an emergency situation. We really want them to at least allow a check of their roof. And I heard that you guys got something special for them.
Yeah, so we are promoting this summer Beat the Heat. So that's getting something solar reflective, whether it's solar reflective shingle, a coating that cools down the home, or a solar fan that pulls out the air from the attic. So we're doing $500 off. If you give us a call, mention it during the inspection and the appointment.
Thank you so much, John. You've got that QR code on the screen right now. Just bring your device right up to it and boop, so that you can go directly to John and his crew at Kapili Roofing and Painting.